gluten-free, vegan, and low sodium. Culinary Solutions by Lee Sar offers a variety of meals suitable for every dietary need.
We try to make sure that everybody has a meal.
Culinary Solutions provides all meals to all Lee Health facilities, including inpatient care, the child development centers, and the hospital cafeterias.
We do about 15,000 meal equivalents a day, and we do that with 69 people.
The team also aims to provide nutritious and tasty recipes.
Food to me is like medication, and food should be nourishing to someone's body so it makes them feel better.
Executive Chef Patricia Agent takes pride in creating recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
I take it very seriously about the safety of the food, the preparation of the food, and even I work with Lee Memorial Health System for the plating of the food.
Once a recipe is developed, a Lee Health dietitian evaluates the nutrition and ingredients to determine if it meets that patient's dietary needs.
If I have too much sodium in a low sodium diet, and he'll say, well, you have a little bit too much sodium, then at that point I try to find something that will bring the flavor.
Using ongoing training, local resources, and patient feedback, Culinary Solutions works to care for patients in and out of the hospital. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.